What is that? That is my book. What is that? That is my book. What happened? I am sick. What happened? I am sick. Do you want? Yes, please. Do you want? Yes, please. Whose is it? It's mine. Whose is it? It's mine. What now? Let's have lunch. What now? Let's have lunch. When can we meet? We can meet tomorrow. When can we meet? We can meet tomorrow. What did she say? She said to don't cry. What did she say? She said to don't cry. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What did you buy? I bought a doll. What did you buy? I bought a doll. What do you want? I want a novel. What do you want? I want a novel. Where are you? I am at home. Where are you? I am at home. Who is he? He is my uncle. Who is he? He is my uncle. What is going on? I am reading a storybook. What is going on? I am reading a storybook. Why are you crying? I have a headache. Why are you crying? I have a headache. Where are we? We are in supermarket. Where are we? We are in supermarket. Which one do you want? I want the pink one. Which one do you want? I want the pink one. Why do you scream? I was scared. Why do you scream? I was scared. Whose is this? It's mine. Whose is this? It's mine. What is this? This is a bicycle. What is this? This is a bicycle. Where did you go? I went to school. Where did you go? I went to school. Where is my book? It is in the classroom. Where is my book? It is in the classroom. Whose idea it is? It is my idea. Whose idea it is? It is my idea. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who broke this? My cat broke this. Who broke this? My cat broke this. Whose friend is she? She is my friend. Whose friend is she? She is my friend. When will they arrive? They will arrive by 4 p.m. When will they arrive? They will arrive by 4 p.m. Why are you late? I missed my bus. Why are you late? I missed my bus. Who are they? They are players. Who are they? They are players. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to. Do you like travel? Yes, I like to. Can I use your phone? Sure, here we go. Can I use your phone? Sure, here we go. Can I sit here? Sure, go ahead. Can I sit here? Sure, go ahead. What are you doing? I am watching cartoon. What are you doing? I am watching cartoon. What is your favorite holiday? I love Christmas. What's your favorite holiday? I love Christmas. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. How does it taste? It's delicious. How does it taste? It's delicious. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave your comment down below. See you next time. Bye.